Moving is not just about taking your belongings from one place to another. It's about life choices and real change. Moving is much more than transporting. It's a gateway to companies and families for a new cycle. And we know it from our own experience. You are moving to a new environment and letting go of what's familiar. A new street, a new suburb, or maybe a new city. At Posch Silva, we'll ensure this transition is seamless and stress-free. We offer our customers complete insurance cover, expertly trained staff, utmost care with your items, fully equipped moving vehicles, and a cost-effective and realistic moving quote. Ask us for a tailored moving solution and let our team of professionals do the rest.